we'll guide you through how to set up VSCode Tunnel, making it easier to connect to remote environments directly from your Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your desktop. You need to make sure you have the latest version, so head over to the Help menu and click on Check for Updates. Once updated, go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon on the sidebar, then search for Remote SSH and install it if you haven't already. This extension is crucial as it allows you to connect to remote machines using SSH. Now open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus P on Mac, and type in Remote SSH, connect to host. You'll be prompted to enter the SSH configuration. If you haven't set up SSH keys, you'll need to do so by generating a key pair on your local machine, which you can usually do by running SSH keygene in your terminal. Once you have your SSH keys set up, go ahead and enter your remote host's details in the SSH config file, which you can find under your users.ssh directory named config. After setting up your host, you can now connect by selecting your remote host from the list. Once connected, VS Code will open a new window, and you'll be working within the context of your remote environment. You can verify the connection by checking the status bar at the bottom left, which should indicate you're connected to a remote host. This setup allows you to use all of VS Code's powerful features like IntelliSense, debugging, and extensions on your remote projects. This is especially useful for development work that requires heavy processing power or specific environments that aren't available locally. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.